I'm Nate.
I'm Vanessa, and together we're Team Taylor with Berkshire Hathaway. Today we're in beautiful Browns Valley, California on Collins Lake.
Woohoo! If you like fun and adventure, this place is for you.
So here we are in beautiful Browns Valley, California.
On 20 acres overlooking Collins Lake.
Make this your own lakeside paradise. The perfect place for all your favorite recreational activities.
Or you could build whatever you want. All right. Ready to go?
We're ready.
Okay, let's do this. Don't miss out on this opportunity.
See this property, any others in the area, or if you're thinking about selling, please reach out. We'd love to connect.